During a walk along the way with my dog in tow, I come across the often elusive blue heron hanging out having a quiet moment at the park's gazebo. Maintaining a respectable distance, I creep in closer, camera ready to capture this moment. I happen upon a scene of this beautiful big bird standing stoic while a swarm of firefly-like creatures circle the crown of His Majesty, the Majestic Great Blue Heron. It was a beautiful sight to behold. This flurry of adoration continued until, with a subtle head tilt by the heron, the swarm seemed to dissipate into the air beyond him. I continue to inch in closer to get a better view and find myself following this beautiful big bird. Unfortunately, the herring will have none of it and hides out of view. He then takes to the skies to escape the unwanted attention. In my persistent pursuit for the perfect pic, I must be mindful I don't harass the heron. Notice nature, naturally naked nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.